Hello, guys. B129. Welcome you all to Triple M Africa Guided School, Day 1, B129. My name is Kudzai Olokane. I'm your mentor and admin. I just want to welcome you all. Before we start, I want to confirm one, if it's poor, so if you can hardly hear me, and 10 if you can very well. 129. If you all can hear me, would you kindly show me with a plus sign in the chat box? Thank you, Mr. Ivan, for joining us tonight. I'm not sure who else can hear me. Mr. Ivan, if you can hear me, can you show me with a plus sign or rate my sound projection from 1 up to 10. Mr. Ivan, if you can hear me. Hey, Mr. Ivan, can you hear me? Awesome. Thank you, guys. I can see your feedback. Just there's 270 people. Our class is some 100 something. To start at 8 a.m. That 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, Mr. Ivan just told me that my network is 8. You don't have audio. Okay. I'll sort out my network reception. Reception so that you all can hear me. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, guys. My name is Kuzai Olukani. We're mentor for batch 129. I just want to welcome all of you to Triple M Africa Guided School. To Triple M Africa Guided School. So what are we going to share? I'm going to open a link that we've been sharing with you groups. I shared with you even on Friday, on Saturday. Link, you open it, it shows you what you needed to do, introduction day, the preparatory task, and the task for day 1. Today was day 1, and it is task that you were supposed to do. Okay, I'm just going one of the feedback from Skype. Because of the name, it kind of just a little bit. Olowoyeye is saying he cannot hear me. Okay, let me confirm. Let me confirm with my. Okay, we now have 10 viewers. So I'm going to start. I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you can see everything. Please note down to use this platform. So I'm still adapting this, like the first time to officially go public, but we'll be adapting and teaching each other as we progress. Okay, Mr. Ivan has just joined me now.
We
Okay,
can hear
so
you,
what?
Kudzai. I think it's loud. It's
Awesome. Mr. Ivan, would you kindly mute the YouTube? The YouTube is giving a feedback. It's giving a feedback. Hearing small breaking. Okay, guys, I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can all see. Uh, we're supposed to do today. Okay. Just a moment. I also need to. I need your registry attendant. I need your attendance. So I'm going to give you a register. So everyone in their email addresses. Everyone needs to punch in their email addresses. I'm going to cannot hear and you can't see a thing. Okay, we'll ask for your feedback when it's time for me to show you my screen. For now, let me just make sure that I have the names of everyone who's attending. Registry of your name to make and who didn't. We're going to use these for your upgrade. We're going to use this for your upgrade. We're going to use this for your upgrade. So it is important that you attend, unless if you in advance, you let your mentor know in advance that you won't be attending the class. Excuse you, but just failing to attend the class without in advance is going to affect your upgrade when the school is done. Moment, I'm going to share with you so that we can all see.
Yes, Kudzai, are you still there? We can hardly hear you. The live stream is off. Kudzai, are you there? Okay, guys, sorry for that. I think Mr. Kudzai is having some network issues. He's going to come back in a few minutes. Kindly hold on. Thank you.
I can. Hey guys, I'm back. My network is acting up a little bit, but I'm still sorting out the attendance register. The idea just popped up now, so I'm trying to make sure that it's the way it should look like. So I'm just going to share with you my screen so that you can see the task that you were supposed to do today. To the screen so that you can see the task that you were supposed to do today. Okay. The attendance register is done. Okay. Let me just do some few rectifications. So when I give you this attendance register, you have to type in your Skype ID. You also have to type in your email address, name and last name to tell me the time that you did post it. So I'm just going to give you for the next 20 minutes, I'm just going to give you the document for the next 20 minutes. Please note that no one should share it on the Skype platform. This link on the Skype platform, only those who are here are supposed to have the access. Okay, only those who are here are supposed to have the access. Okay. Okay, it's training. Let me just go to the task for today. I'll share with you towards the end of the meeting. Probably everything will be sorted by then. Okay. Just a moment. I'm connecting now, and I'll share. I'll start sharing. Okay. I'm sharing my screen with you now. I'm sharing my screen with you. Mr. Ivan, can you see my screen? Just right on the.
I can't see.
Can you see my
I
screen?
still can't see. I'm still waiting. I can't see your
Okay.
screen.
Okay, just a moment. It's going to share. It's going to share in a moment. Okay.
I can't see.
Can you see now?
Yeah, you can see it, but make sure it's
Make sure
gone.
it's
The screen is gone.
okay. And now,
It's still not there. Kindly check.
kindly let me know when it's showing.
Yeah, it's there, but make sure you select one application at a go.
One application at a go.
Yeah,
Okay.
select.
Okay. Okay, let me just come back like this. Okay. Okay, awesome. Now you should be able to see the screen that I tend to show. Okay. Okay. Now you
Right
can
there.
all see.
It's
Awesome.
clear.
Thank you,
Yeah.
man. Okay, guys. So as you all can see, let me just. Okay. As you all can see, today is day number 1. Task of day number 1. We posted the link on the Skype platform for preparation day. Okay. So what you need to do what you are supposed to do on the preparation day, you have to make sure that you have one Facebook account, or if you didn't have a Facebook account, you had to create one. But if you already had one, it was okay. You can use that same one. It's still okay. That you had to optimize your PC and delete unused files and programs, so that your PC or your machine could be very fast with no hindrances. Then after that, you have to make sure that whichever device that you're going to use to attend the meetings, like the meeting we're having now, you should have a microphone and a camera. A microphone and a camera, working camera and the microphone. Should also have account, a Gmail account. Even though in your PO you use something like Yahoo or Outlook, you need to have a Gmail or to execute all the tasks that you'll be required to do in the school. So you need to have a Gmail account. It's a must. Okay. Then you have to read the school's regulations, the regulation of the school on this link here. You just click it. That's the way you work with the links if you have never used one before. It's like this, a link usually in blue. You click on it, it will take you to another page. To this page, you click on that page again, it opens up, then you read. The preparation day, you have to make sure that you acquaint yourself with all the regulations written on this document, on this link here. I'm not going to read out the school's regulation, but I'm just post it on Skype again, just for make sure. Okay. So this is the school regulations. You're supposed to read everything, like how the school work, the rules and regulations of the Skype platform, the platform that we'll be using to communicate with you guys. The main platform, then here we just do a meeting where we can talk, like face to face, we can talk. Online, you ask me questions, then I answer right on that time. So after reading the video about the school in the cloud, the school in the cloud, you just to click on this YouTube link here. You just click on it in the cloud. You have to watch the whole video and understand everything. You're always welcome to make use of the Skype platform. You have any questions, you just write them. I will attend them, like the questions. As I noted earlier in the Skype platform, that mainly focus on the school regulation, on what happens on the school, the day-to-day activities of the school, from day 1 to the last day of the school, that is day 8 to the presentations. So the mentors will always be on Skype online. If you have any questions, you have to write your question, you ask them so that you understand. That's why the platform is there. Please note that you only ask questions relating to the school. Questions relating to the school. Any other questions, especially for the community at large, you are also advised to get in touch with your guider, or your upliner. I'm sure you guys fully understand these terms. Your guider or your upliner, you get in touch with them if you miss anything or if you don't understand anything. But if it's concerned the tasks that we post on the Skype platform, or the tasks that we give you during the day, if you miss out anything, advise to help your neighbor. Help your neighbor. It's noted here on number 4 on this regulation. Help those who are falling behind at the end of each day. Okay, yeah, help those who are falling behind or falling behind. That's if someone is falling behind, you are advised to help them. You are advised to talk with them so that they can understand. In case you don't understand, the mentors already there. Then after watching the school in the cloud, these are some of the videos that you understand. It channels you in a way to our community at large. So it channels you in a certain way if you get to watch it and understand everything. I advise that you watch these videos. And after that, there is a link for a brief presentation of our community, Triple M Global brief presentation on the link here. Just have to watch everything and understand what the presenter will be saying there. If you miss anything, as I said, just make use of the Skype platform. Then on day 1, you are to watch the introductory video. So day 1, day 2, day 3, and all the days that are to follow, we always have video that you need to watch first. You need to watch the introductory video before you attempt anything. You have to watch that introductory video. It guides you, like what you need to do. It's a lead on what to do on each and every task. So on day 1, to execute task on day 1, and day 2, guideline on how to execute tasks of day 2. So after watching the introductory video, you have to learn the regulation of Triple M South Africa. There's a link here. And the founder of Triple M, Mr. Mavrodi, click on this link about on his biography. Just click on this link, it will take you to this page here. So all these links that we'll be sharing with you, they are important for you to read and understand, because later on in the school, ask you questions that has a foundation on the task that we gave you today. It is that important. So it is like a background, like a foundation. You need to understand everything here. You read everything here, you understand. As we progress with the school, everything will make sense, as it will add up if you start from the foundation. But if you skip like some of the link that we give you, or some of the documents we give you to read, then somehow things will kind of get complicated for you. So you're advised to take your time and read. If you don't understand anything, you're always welcome to ask your fellow batchmates so that we can help you. So after reading the biography of Mr. Mavrodi, also to click on the link here so that you can read the risks of the community on safe participation. What are the risks? What are the things that you need to know before you participate? Or ever told you? They are all in there. Some of the things that you need to tell your downliners later on as a guider, you need to share with them the honest truth on how the community works, so that they won't find themselves angry with you at the end of the day in case something happened. So you just have to click on this link here, then read the risks of the community. After that, know the 10 facts about the community, Triple M community. Test a simple test on the things that you've been asked before. So once you're taking the test, there is no time that to read the regulations once, then you take that. You can read as much as you want until you understand everything. Read as much as you want until you understand everything. Then you attempt the question. School, they used to tell us you read once, through second time, you take important like words that you don't understand. Then the third time, you have to read to understand everything. The third time you have to read and understand everything. Then when you take the test, it will be simple for you. Or even you want to make a reference, you can always go back. To take a test on how the community works on this link, Then after that, there was another test on the knowledge and regulation. Knowledge of the regulation, your understanding of the regulations of our community. Then after that, there is this link here, recommendations on the registration and safe participation in South Africa. As we already showed you on the Skype platform, that the Triple M Africa Guided School we have here in South Africa, it accommodates everyone in Africa. So everyone is welcome. So here it is South Africa, but we accommodate everyone in Africa. I just said to. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's what you were supposed to do. Then after taking a test, you click on this link here. I'm just going to show you on how to go about it. Okay. On this link here, okay. Once it takes you to this page, what you have to do is you write your first name and second name, your email address. Okay, I'm just going to write my name to clarify. This is my and second name, my email address. Then for you to answer this question, you just tick. These are multiple choices. You just have to click on any one. What society do we still live in? You just click. Maybe I think we live in equal rights society. You just click on it. Can a bank pay all its depositors at the same time? You click on each and answer according to your understanding. What you read and understand, you can just click here, then you submit. Okay, after answering all these, you just click here, submit. Once you're done submitting, you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you use this link here to check your results. Here to check your results. Like, how have you done? You passed. If you passed, your name will turn green. If you passed, your name will turn green. But if it remains white, you did fail one of the questions. You did fail one of the questions. So how do you search for your name? Okay, page like this. You open if you're using a PC, a computer. I personally use a computer. You press Control Find. CTRL and F. CTRL and F. Sorry. You press CTRL-F and it will show you this. It will show you this search box here. It will show you this search box here. So let's say my name is Kerian. I'll just paste on it, then it will automatically show me. Name is Philip. I'll just write Philip here. You just write Philip here, and it would automatically hide. It will automatically highlight Philip. If there are 2 or 3 Philips, you continue writing even your surname so that it will show your name. It will show you the name that you used to submit. To show you the name that you used to submit. Simple as that. Okay. So once you're done with that, you have to wait for the 8 p.m. South African Standard Time meeting, the one we're having now. Meetings each and every day, same time, or every day until we're done with the school. But we don't have classes, we don't have meetings on Sundays. But on Saturday, on Monday to Saturday, we have the meeting each and every day. So you have to make reservation and make sure that you there to attend the meeting, because we be taking notes, we be praise of everyone in the school and those who attend the meeting. Okay, so okay, I'm going to share with you the link so that you guys can write your emails. I'm going to stop sharing my screen with you now. Okay, I've stopped sharing with you my screen. What I'm going to do now is write your name in the chat box. You can write your name in the chat box, not on Skype, here on the YouTube platform. And write your name. You can write your question in the, you can write your question okay. At the moment you have a question, you can just write it. If you want I'll get back to you. Then space open for questions, guys. You can just share with you now. If you have any question, you can kindly write your question on the YouTube platform. Then if you have any questions concerning the task, or if you miss something you want me to explain furthermore, kindly write your question. Raise. Okay, but where do we no? Okay, Gmail is just like Yahoo or Outlook. It's an account that you use to receive emails. You receive emails via Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. So you need to have a Gmail, Outlook, like for you to log in your PO. You need to have a Gmail for you to access the documents that we'll be sharing with you. You need to have a Gmail address. You make sure that you logged into your Gmail. Okay, I'm going to share with you, like just now on pretty on what I'm talking about. On what I'm talking about, you need to have in my screen once more. Okay, so as you can also show me all these icons every time I log in. Every time I log in, it shows me everything that I've been doing. Like as you can see here, this is my account. I click here to show me my account name and it show me my Gmail. All these are as I was saying, my network is it's acting up. It had booted me out, but now I'm back. Okay, so as you can see here, there are these tabs here. I bookmark them because I'm in my account. I'm in my Gmail account. I'm logged into my Gmail. So download Gmail. You don't download or a computer that you're going to use, or maybe you can borrow for the next 10 days. One computer preferably, it will help you have a smooth transition. See, or tablet is things will get difficult for you a little bit, but if you're really serious, or if you have the zeal to really complete the guided school, sometimes you have to find yourself at the internet cafe to execute some tasks. So you need to make use of the kit at one point if you don't have a smartphone. Then okay, that was William Joseph. So he's saying, please, on the attendance, how do we? Okay, I'm going to share with you the attendance register. I'm just going to share with you the attendance register so that you guys can we're going to keep track of all that, everyone who attended and those who didn't. As I said earlier, we're going to make use of it for your upgrade. We'll see those who've been attending and those who haven't been attending. Okay, just a moment. I'm going to share with you, and so that I can share with you. William Joseph is also saying about the audio is bad. There are people who can hear me. Cannot. I've just rectified my network reception, so to hear me, guys. If you cannot hear me, kindly try refreshing your machines or your kindly try refreshing your machines. Okay. Okay. It's a moment, guys. I'm sorting out the document for you for your attendance. Just to everyone needs to put in. Everyone needs to save their names, and it also has a timestamp, so I'll see who did type in, who did attend the meeting. Please note that no one should share this document on the platform. No one should share the document on the Skype platform. It's only for here, those who attended. If you share this document on the Skype platform, qualified in the school, you will be. So kindly take note. You share this document on the Skype qualified. Okay, so I'm going to give you 20 minutes. And you guys are going to have 20 minutes. Write your name, your last name, your first name, your Skype ID, and your email address. Once you're done, I will lock it. Once the 20 minutes is up, I will lock the document. I will lock the document. No one will have access to it. Once I lock it, no one will have access to it. You only be able to view, but you cannot do nothing. Okay, so let me share the link with you. I'm going to post it on the to share it on the YouTube, on this YouTube platform. So this is the document. This is the document everyone is supposed to there, your first name, your last name, your Skype ID, and your email address. Okay, just write those. You just write those, then we are good to go. So right now it's 10 minutes to South African time. So I just give you 10 minutes, then we'll end the meeting. Then I'll also close the document. Then I'll also close the document. I will stop you from having access. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you have any questions concerning what I've just shared with you, okay, this document that I'm sharing with you, what you just have to do is write your name. I have access of the document, anything. I have it and I'll submit it to the officials. I have the access, I'll submit to the officials. What you just have to do right now is just write your name in the meeting right now. For all of you who are in the meeting right now. Okay, do we have any other meeting? Any other? Any questions concerning what I've just shared with you now? Anyone who has a question? Okay, it's either the network is bad or you cannot hear me, or you have a bad network. And for another 2-3 minutes, then I will end the session for tonight. The session. Okay, guys, when I say you have to write on YouTube, I mean You access the link on the YouTube, you click on it, then okay, let me rectify. Okay, now it's sorted. Sorry about that. You can now, everyone can now write. It's rectified. You can now write. You can now write your emails. I'll give you 7 minutes. You send 7 minutes. Okay, I'm going to post it again. No one supposed to post it here. No one is supposed to post it here. If you post it here, you'll be booted out of the school. Skype platform, you'll be booted out of the school. Okay. Okay. If you still have questions, now it's no longer locked. Now it's no longer locked. BT. Now it's open for editing. Anyone can it. Anyone has access now. Anyone has access now. No, you don't need to type your name on the YouTube platform. That document, you write on the document we shared. You write on the document we shared. That's the regulations. You write on the. Okay. This name, so anyone can do it. It's now opened. Well done. I'm just going to give you 5 minutes now, guys. Just 5 more minutes. And then no one will be able to type. Then I'll submit it to the rector. Then we'll be done for the meeting tonight. Then we'll be done for the meeting tonight. Okay, 5 more minutes to go. 5 more minutes to go. Session for tonight. Okay, any more questions? Any more questions? You can type here. Any more questions? You can type here. Any more questions? You can type here. I will. Anyone can write on the document, Joseph. Kindly refresh the page if you still have no access. If you still don't have access, you refresh it to show you that you can now edit it. No one to post their emails on Skype. You have to have access to the document. That is if you are in the meeting. That is if you are in the meeting. I just posted the link. You take that link, you post. You take the link, you open it, you write your details as it's written. Everyone has access. Okay, a Fossa just wrote the details. Everyone have to write their details. I'm waiting for the. I'm just waiting for the rest of you. Write your names, then we end the session. We have 2 minutes. To write your name, then I'll close. Okay. Since you need to make sure that for you to access the document, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Gmail. To make sure into it. But if you're not logged to Gmail, then it won't be user. It has no track record. Gmail, everything will be smooth. Make sure that you're logged into your Gmail as you were instructed on the preparatory day you were asked to have a Gmail. So just make sure you logged into your Gmail, then you can have access to the document. Some seconds to go. You need to your Gmail address, you need your Skype ID. We need your full name. Full name, your Gmail address, and your Skype ID. Okay. Make sure that you don't write for anyone else. You write only for you. You only write for you. Okay. You write only for you, not for anyone else. Okay, guys. It's 9 p.m. South African time. For tonight, since there are no more questions. If you still have anything like contributions or questions that we did discuss tonight, you can make use of the Skype platform. So tomorrow, same time, we're going to meet again. Tomorrow will be day 2. We're going to post the task for day 2 in the morning, or you can just keep that link, the link that you opened for day 1 in preparatory task. You just reload it. It will show you the task for day 2. You continue reloading it each and every day. It will have updates. It will have updates each and every day. Share with you in case that you need spoon feeding or something like that. But you just reload it. It will have. But I'll share with you. So tomorrow, same time, we're going to meet again. Tomorrow, same time, we're going to meet again, and I will have the register. I will have the register with me. So from me, Kudzai Olukane, it was nice meeting you guys. Have a blessed night, and thank you all for attending the session for tonight.